Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn consonant blends. Look, say and read the words with initial blend fur, fruit, fruit, fry, fry, oak, frog, aim, frame, frog, frog. Look, say and read words with initial blend truck, truck, tray, tree, train, traffic. I hope you guys love doing consonant blends. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.